Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I have a package from Kylie Cosmetics to open. And let's see, what did I get? This is the second time I've ordered from her, and it's very pretty. Good choice. Love these products you picked. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. Kylie Jenner. That's cute. And this is an invoice. I got 6 different things, it looks like. And I might keep this box to send some things to Katie in, because this is for her. This is setting powder, and from what I understand, this is also what you use in translucent. It's what you use to bake your makeup, and I don't know what that is, and Katie was like, I want to try that, and neither one of us had really ever heard of that before, so I thought, you know what, let me see if I can find some. And Kylie was having a sale, so you know me in sales, I had to get it. So I got this translucent powder. So I'm either going to give this to Katie. I'm making her up a little makeup goodie bag or care package, and I might put this in there, but I might keep this one for her stocking, because I think I have another one that I got in one of my FabFitFun boxes or something like that, maybe even an Ipsy, I'm not sure which, but I might put that one in her care package, and then I might give this one to her for Christmas. And then let's see, I'm not going to open this. This is in the color Bikini Bod, and I thought it was pretty, but this is not for me. I think I had somebody else in mind for that. And then I know that I wanted a couple of these colors. Let's see. I think the two, yes, Best Witches I wanted, and this dark, it's called Hungover. It's like a blackish color. Now, they have something that you put these in, so let's see how these look. I didn't get the holder for these, which I guess maybe I should have. So I don't know, I might just keep it in here. But here is the, that wasn't a very good swatch, but here's the Hungover. That's really pretty. And even rubbing it like almost off, it's still got a nice glittery sheen to it, which I like. And then this one looks interesting, Best Witches. It is a metallic. I think all of these must be metallic, metallic, and metallic. So it's pretty. Yeah, I think I like both of those. Well, yay. I have a favorite that I had from Ulta, and they've stopped selling it, so I needed to find something else. Now, the one that I like from Ulta is like a liquid almost eyeshadow, and so these are going to be a different kind of replacement, but I think that those would be pretty. Now these are not for me. This one is Bikini Mama. Oh, I guess they're both Bikini Mama. Why did I get 2 Bikini Mamas? I don't know, but I guess I did. Let me check. Yes, I did. I don't think I meant to. I think I only meant to get one, but oh well, I got to. So I'll just put them both in Katie's stocking and call it a day. So that is what I got, and this, I think, hopefully will look nice with that. It's Bikini Mama and Bikini Bod. So yeah, it's a small little haul, but it's a little bit something something. She does have some really good sales, so if you've never used her stuff, you might try it. I really like her lipstick. I haven't tried anything else, but I'm gonna try her eyeshadow. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.